Hey everyone, and welcome to day 6 of my 90-day video challenge. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Edie Clarke. I'm a video marketing strategist and a remote video producer, and I work with service-based entrepreneurs who want to use video in order to grow their business and gain visibility, but they're overwhelmed and just stressed over the process, and especially if they are afraid of being on camera. I'm your gal, so hopefully we will connect. Today, I want to talk about shorts. I've gotten a lot of questions in reference to whether or not it's something that people should implement in their video marketing plan. And the answer to that is yes. This is whether you are creating custom videos like I'm doing right now, or if you don't create custom videos and you do speak on a regular basis, whether that's in person or virtual, or if you do a lot of podcasts. It's a great way to repurpose the content that's already existing that you have. So if you are doing live events, whether in person, virtual, or you're doing podcasts, I highly recommend that you either ask for the actual recording or the link to it so that you can use a tool like my favorite, Opus Clip, in order to create viral shorts that you can use on all of the different platforms. YouTube Shorts, you can use it on LinkedIn, TikTok, Instagram, everywhere that you can upload a video. So it's really important that you do this because it's a great way for you to take content that might be, an hour long and take out snippets of really bite-sized, good quality information that you can share and that's beneficial to everyone, not just the specific audience that you were speaking to. And then you could repurpose it online on the specific platform that your targeted audience for that bit of information is on. So whether that's on Facebook or LinkedIn or some other platform. So now I want to know from you, are you using shorts? How are you using them? Because they're really good, not only for sharing that kinds of information, but for providing you with brand awareness. People will get to know and like you a lot faster if they can see you in video as they scroll through their feed. Also, are you going to join me on my 90-day challenge? You don't have to go for all 90 days, but are you going to come along with me on this journey and do it for yourself? One of the reasons and the main reason why I'm doing this is I like to get comfortable with doing certain things and being obligated to post a video every single day, not one day a week, every single day for 90 consecutive days is definitely going to take me out of my comfort zone. And I would love for you to come along on this journey with me. So hopefully you will. But until then, I will see you tomorrow in the next video. Take care.